In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the PHP version in Hostinger. If you're running a WordPress website, a custom PHP application, or any CMS that relies on PHP, using the correct PHP version is extremely important for performance, compatibility, and security. Sometimes a plugin or theme requires a newer PHP version, and other times an update may cause issues, and you need to switch back to an older version. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, and you can change the PHP version in just a few clicks directly from the Hostinger dashboard. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can update your PHP version safely and quickly. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel. From here, you'll be able to manage all of your hosting services and websites. On the left side of the dashboard, look for the section called Websites. Click on Websites and you'll see a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website where you want to change the PHP version. Next to that website, click on Dashboard to open the management area for that specific site. This dashboard contains all the tools for managing your website, including File Manager, databases, domains, security settings, and PHP configuration. Now that you're inside your website dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the PHP configuration settings. On the menu inside the dashboard, scroll down until you see the Advanced section. Under Advanced, click on the option called PHP Configuration. This is where Hostinger allows you to control the PHP environment used by your website. Once the PHP configuration page opens, you'll see several settings related to PHP. At the top of the page, there will be a drop-down menu that shows the current PHP version your website is using. Hostinger usually supports multiple PHP versions, such as PHP 7.4, PHP 8.0, PHP 8.1, PHP 8.2, and sometimes newer versions, depending on updates. To change the PHP version, simply click the drop-down menu and select the version you want your website to run on. If your website uses modern plugins and themes, it's generally recommended to use a newer PHP version because it offers better speed, improved security, and better performance. However, if you are troubleshooting compatibility issues, you might temporarily switch to a different version to see which one works best with your website. After selecting the PHP version you want, the final step is to apply the change. Look for the Update or Save button on the page and click it. Hostinger will now apply the new PHP version to your website. This process usually takes only a few seconds. Once the update is complete, your website will start running on the selected PHP version. It's a good idea to visit your website after changing the PHP version to make sure everything is working correctly. Check your pages, plugins, and any important features to confirm that your site loads normally. If you notice any problems, you can always return to the PHP configuration page and switch to another version. And that's it. That's how you change the PHP version in Hostinger, quickly and easily using the hPanel dashboard. As you can see, the process only takes a minute once you know where the settings are located. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials about websites, hosting, WordPress, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.